So now I'm going to the barber. Prepare for that surprise I was talking about.
I want a brand new wheel. I want a brand new house. I want a foreign little bitch. She put it all in her mouth.
Boy, Richie done hooked your boy up. Yes. So we on the beach, Miro. All you see my hair? I tell you something new was coming. We remember that color me fat thing I was talking about? It's coming. It's coming.
Talk to me.
Color me.
Color you.
Yes, that's what I said. Okay, just no. Let me call up yours.
Alright, my girl. You better be on to something. Yo.
White House.
Kai, color me.
Color who?
Rios, color me.
Color what?
You know what? Just meet me at the spot.
Okay, I'll be there.
White sheets.
So where's Kai?
I'm the kid.
Volume, watch out.
Call me Fit, Volume 3.
July 7th. Only $25 in advance, and if you're late, you pay $30.
It's a hotel. Be there or bad news for you.
Bad news for you. Bad news for you. Bad news for you. Bad news for you.
You have secretary?
Yeah, I can cut it out, you know.
Where? Nigga nah.
Okay, I already.
Yeah.
I have to say, hey, that's because you didn't start a question color me.
Hello? Shit, not you.
Just now.
Get your ass up.
You're not my mom.
In action.
Sure.
Behind the scenes with Beyonce.
Okay.
Get your ass up. Yo.
Yes, now.
With me.
What? Shh. Ooh, wait, let's do that. Let's do it again.
Did you know it, dude? You said it in the election.
Okay, let's do it again. Because it takes a little time to focus.
Yeah, kill me. 1, 2.
Just now.
Yo.
Louder, louder.
Yo.
No, you should say Call Me Fit Volume 3 last. Really?
So let me just say,
Okay, so
Call Me Fit Volume 3.
Exactly.
July 7th, Sister Hotel. 25 in advance. Put yours at the gate.
Yeah. Okay, so go down. Go down behind. Go back.
And then you saying, I don't know what to say.
Don't miss it.
No.
A picture.
A video that there?
Only my
It's
hair.
a video.
Somebody cover my head.
It's so big.
It's a...
Ew!
He needs some milk.
You probably have food in your home.
But for a video later.
Follow me on Instagram at
Follow me on Instagram
_queen.d. And my Facebook name is Dakota Agel.
Follow me on Instagram, boss_girl_Rios.
That's too much, remember.
Anyways, don't follow me because I have
Queen.d, guys.
do not follow me. I have a very jealous girlfriend.
You want to help me sign out of the vlog and
Somebody kill that turkey!
And for only 39 cents a day, you can provide water, food, and medicine for these people.
so you're going to help me sign out of the vlog
What?
and say
Hi!
or you can just say this is King Kai signing out.
But I'm not King Kai.
I can say this is King Kai signing out and then I can say this is King Kai signing out and then
In a lifetime, in a memories, I believe in destiny. Every moment that we're together.
can say this is King Kai signing out, and then yeah.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
This is King Kai signing out.
Subscribe.
Really, nigga?
This is King Kai signing out. I'll see you all next time.
Subscribe. Share.